Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. For this episode I have a new installation on my 2021 Toyota RAV4. From Cartrimhome, a new armrest. So let's get to it. So for my 2021 Toyota RAV4, this new armrest is gonna be wireless charging for your phone, and it's gonna have USB and LED lights. It's gonna be a really easy installation. The only thing that you probably need to add, it depends on the model, is gonna be a cigarette lighter connector. I'm gonna show you why you might need it, because some models on these RAV4s, they don't have a cigarette lighter plug right in the armrest. So let's get to it. Here on my RAV4, some models they have a cigarette lighter connector right here. Mine doesn't have, it only has the USB connectors right here. Some other models they have a connector, cigarette lighter connector right here. Mine doesn't have it either. So my only one is gonna be right there in the front. I'm gonna connect it right there because mine doesn't have it here or in the inside. On this new armrest, this is the cigarette lighter connector. It's on the bottom, so you can connect it on the inside. That's the idea, because mine doesn't have that. That's why I purchased this. And this is the back side. The screws and the little tool to remove panels are provided with this part. First thing that we need to do is remove the back side and remove the original armrest to put this one on. To remove the back side, you can grab the tool that is provided with the new parts to remove this back side. In this case, I'm just gonna grab it from here, pull on it. Same thing on the other side. You can use the tool. Just pull on top and remove it. You have two connectors, one right here on top and one right here on the bottom. Unplug those two so you can remove the back side. Just go to the top, push it up so you can release it. That's it. Once you remove the spring, you're gonna have a little clip on this side. Remove this little clip so you can remove the pin. There you go, that's the clip. Just pull on it and slide the pin out. This part is out, the spring, then you can remove the armrest. Okay, for now I'm just gonna put my connector in here. It reaches all the way to the front, cigarette lighter connector. I don't want to open it right now because I have to remove this piece of carbon fiber look plastic that I have in here. I don't want to remove it because I don't have extra adhesive right now, but I will open this part of the RAV4, put my cable through all the way down through here. So that's gonna be more like a permanent solution. For now I'm just testing, but I don't think I'm gonna open it today because I don't have that. For now it's not gonna be on the way because I don't have my cigarette lighter connector in here. I have to do this step. Now for the new armrest, it fits even though Cartrimhome sent me this carbon fiber look cup holder trim and this one too. But this new armrest just goes on top of it, so you can put it. You can see it fits no problems, even though I have the cover in the inside. I have it right here, and to be honest, it's comfortable. It's gonna be a little bit taller, I think, than the original one, but it's gonna give you more room to put stuff in here. Plus this part is gonna be the wireless charging part. Right now I can just connect this to see if everything works. You're gonna have two more USB ports in here, plus your two from here. Now when you put this part right here, remember that you have adhesive. Remove this so you can stick it on. I'm not gonna do it right now because it's not gonna be a permanent solution. It's gonna stay like that for now. Once you have your new armrest in place, you can put this piece back on it. Make sure that you plug everything in. Okay, so that's back in place. Then this one has adhesive as well. Remove those, but like I said, it's not a permanent solution for me right now. It's just gonna be in place. You put it on and you're gonna have 4 screws. Those 4, they go right here, and after that is this piece. But I'm thinking about not putting this piece just yet because I have to remove everything once I get more adhesive for the front part. Everything is in place. I'll put the 4 screws, and like I said, this piece you peel this off to protect the metal, but once I get the adhesive, it's gonna go right there. New armrest is in place. You're gonna have more room down here. You're gonna have the wireless charging pad in here. You can slide this armrest because it's a little bit shorter than the original one. You can slide it, just pull on it and you can slide it so it covers everything here. Obviously if you have a drink, maybe not ideal. Okay, and just to finish, let's see if this wireless charging port works and these 2 USB plugs work. Serial lighter is working. You have LEDs on the outside and on the inside. Obviously this is working. So let's see if the wireless charging works. Yep, it's working. So I have no problems on that. Let's see what happens if it moves. Yeah, still charging. Doesn't matter if you're driving and your phone moves, still gonna charge. And yeah, the light looks really good. It's gonna look good at night too. Now it looks like these 2 ports works. So let me use them just to make sure that everything works. I have it connected on this side, on the right hand side. If we plug it in, yep, it works. Now on the other one, let's plug it in on the other one. Yep, works as well. One thing that I forgot to mention, if you have large strings, they still fit in place. And if you're using these ports, they're not gonna be in the way, that's for sure. But if you have large strings, you're not gonna be able to pull your armrest all the way to the front, but you're gonna be able to extend it a little bit. Okay guys, so I'll leave you with that. I hope you like this episode. Link is gonna be in the description for the new armrest for any 2019 to 2023 Toyota RAV4. And like always, if you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.